Mansions. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ellie, and this is the Kappa Alpha chapter of KD at Florida State University.
Welcome to our crib. This is our grand reception foyer, where we spend some time waiting for our philanthropy and social events. These chandeliers were actually donated to us in honor of one of our late sisters. And you can find us in the composites right here.
I'm right there. This is our formal living area. You can find a lot of KD trophies here. We will usually be here studying, cozied up by the fireplace, or watching The Bachelor.
We spent a lot of time in here.
Hey guys! Hey. This is our sisters, Ari and Lissy. Here.
Here's another one of our living rooms where we do some meetings with our chef about what food we want to do.
All the antique decorations you see are from 1904 when the Kappa Alpha chapter was founded here at Florida State.
You got to see our areas open to the public downstairs.
But now we're going to take you guys behind the scenes and show you our upstairs living quarters. Let's go.
Okay, this is another one of our living spaces upstairs with a comfy couch for in-house girls only.
This is where we have our late night snack time, and then also the morning debriefs. They go crazy. And this is our Kappa Delta balcony, which is really unique to our house, and I'm pretty sure we're the only sorority that has one on this campus.
I think so, and we can always find a sister out here like studying or catching up on homework. This is an example of one of our room setups. This is a double room. We also have some triple rooms and quads, and we also have 60 girls that live in-house. Now let's take you guys downstairs.
This is our kitchen and our dining area. You can literally smell the fumes every morning when you wake up.
Here's our dining room area.
This is where we have lunch and dinner on the weekdays and then brunch on the weekends.
And we're meeting our two besties for brunch today. Hey girls.
And our Kappa Delta kitchen boys bring us food. Thank you, kitchen boys. We love our kitchen boys.
This here also doubles as our chapter room, which is designated to Elizabeth Langford. She was our national president and foundation chair. Now off to our backyard where we have some dining tables. We like to eat and chat and hang out out here.
We've been begging our house mom to get a pool, but as you can see, it's not happening.
It's in the works.
Well, hopefully, fingers crossed.
Welcome to another one of our study rooms. We really pride ourselves on academics and studies in Kappa Delta.
This is the oldest sorority house on the FSU campus, so we're not allowed to do any renovations. So what you see is what you get.
History in these walls.
A lot of history.
Here's another one of our living rooms where we can hang out.
What are we watching?
What about White Lotus?
I'm down.
Let's do it. Alright guys, we've loved showing your house today. Thanks so much for coming.
But unfortunately, the UV is a 10, so we're about to go catch some rays. But go Knowles and go KD!